Here is your man, Sasegi. 0148. And now he's not using the phone. So
Yeah, I know. Well, I'm gonna throw my trash away. Trash can. Whoop. Subscribe to that dude right there. 604 Jesse.
For Jesse's board parts thing. Okay. I'm sorry, they're horrible.
Yeah, look at my awesome skateboard over here. It's all lonely. Look. Yes. And if you haven't seen Tobuscus, subscribe to him. Seriously, do it. Ah.
At first you're like, oh, he's just retarded. And then you watch the rest of his videos, and you say, he's awesome.
Go! Run, Giuseppe. That's my nickname for him. Yeah, you better act retarded.
Ew, that's nasty.
That's gross. Oh, look at that sewage.
Oh crap, I'm getting out. Oh, oh yeah.
Your weight, Tubby.
Ew, ew.
I got on you.
No.
Go act retarded on the T-Rex.
Ow. Ow.
Get on.